For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hey guys, this is your fashion guide Namik Paul and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you different ways in which you can wear a shirt to look stunning. Shirts are a great multi-purpose fashion garment. Wear it at work, flaunt it at a party, or just look cool for a casual meeting with friends. But do you know how to wear a shirt in the right way? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. But before we dive into learning that, let's quickly have a look at the most common shirt types. Number 1. Dress shirts. These classic shirts are worn tucked in and are the most suitable shirts underneath a tuxedo or a suit. These shirts shouldn't be left untucked unless you're going for that drunken after-party look. The shirt's fabric is pique or marcella that has crispiness and stiffness that helps it stay sleek all night long. Number 2. Oxford button-down shirt. These timeless shirts are perfect for regular office use. Since they also have a casual edge to them, you can wear them with an open collar or jeans or chinos. A pro tip: you can convert your regular shirts into a button-down stiff collar shirt too. Simply place a double-sided tape underneath the collar and stick it. Awesome, right? Number 3. Flannel shirts. These are amazing shirts that can amp up your style. Although initially they were associated with the woodcutter's look, these versatile shirts have become a go-to fashion garb. The thick fabric in these is perfect to beat the chill. And they look great with denims and boots too. These shirts can also be layered in an open button fashion with a t-shirt inside, and the sleeves rolled midway till the forearm. Number 4. Office shirts. Need I say more? These are meant for those absolute formal workplaces where you need to have a smooth appearance. These shirts are mostly plain, so you can wear a tie over them anytime your boss calls you for a meeting. If ties are a necessity though, choose between a pointed or cutaway collar depending on how much of the tie you want to showcase. These go well with formal pants or trousers. Number 5. Linen shirts. Now we've all experienced those wet armpits during summers in India, right? In such warm, humid conditions, linen shirts are your best friends. These light, airy and breathable shirts go great with jeans, chinos or formal pants. You can even roll up your sleeves and wear them casually with shorts. Apart from these, there are denim shirts, chambray shirts that are a distant cousin of denim, and the classic half-sleeve shirts. The length of the shirt. If the length of your shirt is halfway above the fly, regardless of the hem, you should wear it without a tuck. If any shirt you have goes well past the zipper and to your thighs, it's a clue to tuck it in. Now that you know when you should tuck your shirt in, let me show you a few ways to do so. The loose tuck. This is the most basic way that we all have used to tuck in our shirt. All it needs is tucking the excess fabric into the waistband of the trouser. Then fasten the zip and buttons and hold the tuck using a belt. And you're done. The half tuck. This is the stylish way of carrying a few casual shirts. Simply tuck the front part of your shirt in the trousers and let the back hang loose. The French tuck. This popular method takes the half tuck to another level. Here, instead of the entire front side, you simply tuck a portion of the shirt inside and let the shirt sway in a laid-back feel. Since we are talking about shirts, let's understand a few ways to roll the sleeves up. The casual forearm roll. You just need to unbutton the cuffs and simply flip them back inside out. You can then fold it over once to leave the shirt on the forearm. This is a great way to wear the layered flannel shirts. The master sleeve roll. Here you pull the cuff all the way up to the elbow. Keep the cuff in place while you roll the shirt up till you reach the cuff. If your shirt has a cuff that has a design pattern, it's meant to use this type of roll. Leave however much cuff you want to reveal. The basic roll, as the name suggests, is the age-old technique of rolling the sleeves. Here, you start rolling it right along the cuff and bring it to a place above or below the elbow as per your need. I hope you're ready to sport a shirt in the right way now. Trust me, there is much more people will see if you start wearing your shirts right. So long guys. Until next time, stay classy.